Imagine you're working on a plotting problem in Python. Try to create a contour map on the XY plane instead of the 3D surface of a function. You want the contour to show where z equals 0, but the current output is not quite what you expected. The code you're working with involves defining a function, generating mesh grid values, and plotting the surface and contour. But there seems to be a missing piece in achieving the desired result. When looking for a solution to this problem, you came across a handy trick. By setting the offset parameter to 0, you can place the contour on the z equals 0 plane. The code snippet provided focuses on creating the 3D plot, including setting the projection, plotting the surface, and adding the contour with the desired offset. With this adjustment, you can now visualize the contour map on the XY plane exactly where z equals 0, achieving the desired outcome. In summary, if you ever need to plot a contour map on the XY plane in Python, remember to set the offset to 0 to position the contour on the z equals 0 plane. This simple tweak can make a big difference in visualizing your data effectively. As always, keep exploring and experimenting with different plotting techniques to enhance your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, contour plots can be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, a win-win in the world of data visualization.